Today we are replacing the battery on a MacBook Air. So we're going to start with removing all the screws from the back using a Torx screwdriver, which comes with some of the kits. We're just going to go around and make sure we get all of them out. As you'll notice, a couple of the screws are longer, so make sure you keep those two separate and remember where they go. And we're going to remove the back cover. And we have it exposed now. Now is a good time to get a can of air and air compressor, get it all cleaned up in here. If it's the factory battery, it'll actually be glued in a little bit, so you can use a little bit of heat to get it out if you need to. This one's already been replaced once. As you can see, it's not a factory battery, but we'll go ahead and undo the screws. There's 4 screws on this section. The longer screws are towards the middle of the battery, or middle of the computer. And then we have the power cable. You just pull that back to get that out. And then we're going to, oh, actually there's one more screw on there. So make that 5 screws. And we're going to lift that. You have your old battery and your new battery. Get it plugged in, seated right, put the screws back in. We're just going to put the cover back on, put the screws back in, and we'll be all good.